We usually go on a walk through these trails, through the woods, and Howdy's run up ahead of me because he thinks I'm going that way. Howdy. Lila's, she knows the way. She's headed back there. We had rains last night, very heavy rains. I'll take it over to see. And this is where the water flows through this area here. You can see all the root system going across where the water's going. And there we are in our temporary home in the chicken coop. This terrain, there's roots and stuff sticking up everywhere, so, and these sticker bushes. See if I walk through this area. Well, first of all, I'm carrying out the spider webs. Ugh. There's a old rotting tree. And this is where the water comes down here through this area. It's all very wet since we had such a bad storm last night. I need to, all that debris clogging the area here. Howdy. I normally take my stick with me and clear out the spider webs between the trees, and I didn't do it. Oh gosh. That tree just got uprooted. Here are some back trails on our property. We're not going on a hike today, come on. We're going to go back through the woods. Come on, Hattie. And the mosquitoes are thick. Come on, Hattie, let's go home. Come on, Lila, let's go home. Let's go home. Come on, let's go home. So, of course, I've lived around this a little too long. I have my house shoes on. Not really hiking boots. My rubber boots that I normally wear. Sure is pretty through here though. What are you doing, Howdy? Come on, let's go. Let's go to the house. Ugh, getting eaten up by mosquitoes. Golly, we normally don't have mosquitoes here. All this rain, though, has brought them in. We don't have them as bad as Houston because we've got the other bugs that exist in nature that usually take care of them. Plenty of birds and bats. But right now, it's bad. Okay, Hattie. And the chickens, we'll go take a quick look over there. Lila, she's getting to be my old girl. Here are my chickens. There's Miss Beaker. She's my pet chicken. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Oh, this chicken is not afraid of. Lila's over there looking for treats that we throw out for the bird. I threw some out this morning. Okay, let's go check the chicken coop. Oops. There's their coop. I'm going to see if I can see eggs in there. We've already got 2 out today, which was pretty good. We're down to 5 chickens. We're definitely going to have to build some more, a stronger coop for some chicks in spring. And this is the only one that comes on the deck. All the other chickens, they know to stay away from the deck, but not her. She actually tries to come inside. My good girl. This is my good girl, Lila. 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 See how pretty you are with your freckles? Lila. Hey. Yeah, she's not gonna say. Okay, I'm going inside because I have so many mosquitoes on me, which is, I really don't want to be covered in bug spray this early in the day. So, this is the temporary house this year until we get, which I think we're building over there, or in this area. So that'll be our side. That will actually be the view from the kitchen, and the living room will be that part of the forest. Sayonara.